Hey, I think you may know that I'm working on an agentic AI tool, which is written in Python, and it's a CLI tool, as you can see in your screen. And I have implemented a local model system, so you don't need to rely on API keys. You can safely and securely talk to AI running on your own device, so you don't will have any security issues. So in this video I will show you guys to how to use this feature. You will need a Hugging Face model downloaded. I have already downloaded a model, as you can see I was testing it. So I have downloaded Tiny Llama 1.1 because my device is not that good to run bigger models. So you just have to select a local model with /model and then the location of the model. Then it will load the model, and it may depend on the size of the model. This is not that big model, so it will load quickly. As you can see, there are some errors, and sometimes you just have to ignore those repo type or something. This is a model error. So yeah, let me try it. Then you guys also have to do /provider local to select the local provider, and then hi. Okay, as you can see, the model is not that good. It just have 1.1 billion parameters. That's why its responses are not that good. Like, I prompted it high, and then it gave me the response high. There you can use the following format to send messages to your coworker. So yeah, that's all I have to show you today, and yeah, peace out.